another great way of telling if you've used the clip or not, other than labeling it, is the video usage tab. And it's really nice because you can tell where it's being used, and it can also show you the location in the sequence. So what you can do is you can kind of find it, and it will tell you the amount of times it's being used too. If it's just used once, or if it's been used 108 times. Now, when we say 108 times, it's actually, if it's a really big clip, if it's cut up 108 times, it's going to appear 108 times in your video usage. So it's not such a big deal. So the way you get to that is if you go here and you just type in usage, you can see that there. You can also have audio usage, so you can have your video and audio usage. So if you use a lot of audio clips, a lot of sound effects, it can be very useful to have that there too.